Nagar, Lucknow. Gomti Nagar is an upscale place in Lucknow, consisting of both residential and business settlement. Situated on the banks of river Gomti, Gomti Nagar is the biggest planned residential area in India. There are so many things to do and visit in Gomti Nagar, but today we have come here to visit Ambedkar Memorial Park. Ambedkar Memorial Park is one of the top attractions in Lucknow. It is more formally known as Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Samajik Poribartan Sthal and simply referred to Ambedkar Park. This park honors the lives and memories of Jyotiba Phule, Narayana Guru, Shahuji Maharaj, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Kashi Ram, and all those who have devoted their life for humanity, equality, and social justice. The memorial was constructed in 2008 by Mayawati, the former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. It is a huge park which covers 108-acre area. Constructions were made up of red sandstone brought from Rajasthan. It is situated in the posh locality of Gomti Nagar. Cost of the memorial is 7 billion rupees. Entry fee is 15 INR per head. It remains closed on Mondays. Opening and closing time of the park is 10 am and 9 pm respectively. Best time to visit this park, I would recommend you to visit any evening in winter. There are several sites comprising the memorial park. This is Ambedkar Stupa. This construction is the heart of the entire memorial park. This sanctum contains many statues depicting the biography of Ambedkar. At the center of the room, there is a big bronze statue of Ambedkar. Next is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Samajik Poribartan Sangrahalay. Opposite to Ambedkar Stupa, this Sangrahalay or museum has two domes on top. It contains large statues of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Shahuji Maharaj, Sri Narayana Guru, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Sri Kashiram. Another building contains of 18-foot tall marble statues of Tathagat Gautam Buddha, Sant Kabir Das, Sant Ravidas, Sri Birsa Munda, etc. This is Pratibim Sthal. Pratibim Sthal is main entrance to the memorial guarded by statues of 62 elephants either side. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Memorial Drashya Sthal. Constructed on a 80-foot pyramid-type structure, the Drashya Sthal offers a vantage point from where the park, shrine, structure and sites integrate as a view of the whole area. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Samajik Parivartan Gallery. Constructed in an area of 4 acres, this place has murals on the wall made of bronze. Many Bollywood films and other movies were shooted inside the memorial park. Some parts of these films, like Youngstan in 2014, Dawati Ishq in 2015, and Shadi Mein Zarur Aana in 2017, were shooted here. It is a good place for beginner photographer as it has a vast area to shoot and enhance your photography skills. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't miss our next update. Jai Hind.